everyone, my name is Bhavya. Today I am giving a small note on designing and coding a simple form in dotnet. Designing and coding a simple form in dotnet involves using the ASP.NET framework, which provides a set of tools and libraries for building web applications. The following steps can be used as a guide. First, create a new ASP.NET web application project in Visual Studio. Next, in the project, add a new web form by right-clicking on the project in the Solution Explorer and selecting Add New Item. Choose Web Form as a type of item to add. Now, design the form by adding the necessary form controls such as text boxes, labels, and buttons. Use the drag and drop interface in VS to place the controls onto the form. Now set the properties for each control to specify its behavior and appearance. For example, set the text property for a label control to display a description for a text box control. Now write the code for the form by adding event handlers to respond to user actions such as clicking a button or entering a text into a text box. Use the C# programming language to write the code. Now add validation to the form to ensure that user input is valid before submitting the form. Use the valid controls provided by the ASP.NET such as the required field validator control to validate input. Now at last, run the form in the web browser to test it, using the debugging tools in VS to identify and fix any errors in the code. Overall, designing and controlling or coding a simple form in .NET involves using the ASP.NET framework to create a web form, design the form by adding form controls and setting their properties, writing the code for the form using C#, adding validation using validation controls, and testing the form in the web browser. Thank you.